In this video, we will solve for the value of k that makes the function continuous at x equals 3. Here is the piecewise function we are given. To be continuous at x equals 3, the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x must equal the function value at 3. In other words, the limit must equal k. Now, let's compute that limit step by step. Since x is not equal to 3 inside the limit, we use the top piece of the function. The numerator is a difference of squares. We factor x squared minus 9 into x minus 3 times x plus 3. Then we can cancel the x minus 3. Now substitute x equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the limit is 6. That means k must be 6 for the function to be continuous. Let's visualize why. The graph of the top piece is the line y equals x plus 3, but it has a hole at x equals 3. We fill that hole with a solid dot at y equals 6, and that makes the function continuous.